Husqvarna 150BT full tune-up. We're going to do an air filter, fuel filter, and this fuel grommet, and then the fuel lines. I'm going to first undo this air filter cover. These bolts were a little stuck, but I got them out. I'm going to pull this foam piece out, and I got a brand new one in the kit. So I'm going to pull that out, clean up all the debris that was on the outside of it. Make sure it's nice and clean, and same thing with the plastic cover that you took off. And I would recommend spraying it down with some brake clean. There's the new filter. Should just press right in. And then grab that cover. After it's clean, it's sprayed off. And tighten it down. Then we're going to move on to the plug. Take that boot off and move to the side. And then I would crack that loose and get the rest by hand. That boot's going to be a pain. But just unscrew it. Take it out. It's pretty black. And screw that new one right in. Make sure it's snug. And throw that boot back on. Press it down, make sure that you hear the click. And then we're going to take these fuel lines off of this carburetor. So that's your breather hose, is the yellow one, and then the black one's the long fuel filter one. And you can just pry that grommet out and it should just pop right out. And then the new fuel filter didn't come attached, so I had to attach it and feed it through. Press that grommet back in. And then the yellow line connects to the left, black to the right.